खरीद हमारी सरकार ने की है।
The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council (KHADC) is exploring the possibilities to approach the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs (MOHUA) for financial assistance of the areas falling under urban local bodies. Talking to reporters, KHADC Deputy CEM Pinchngan N. Saim informed that the areas falling under the urban constituencies like Pinthor Umkra, Maukhar, Laban and Lat Umkra are no longer eligible to avail funds from the Ministry of Panchayati Raj or Ministry of Tribal Affairs, informing that they are not able to upload proposals from the urban local bodies in the e-gram portal. SAIM informed that the portals only accept proposals of only the areas falling under the jurisdiction of the Rural Local Bodies (RLBS) or Community and Rural Development Block.
Finance Commission ni haban root lengba ki ministry concern ni hangni namar bangindon ka ministry kerpang nagabanta ki ministry council mangi ha ka home ministry tingi ha ban lengba ka ministry of panchayat tindang submit ka babun ki scheme lengba ka ministry of panchayat hakane ka igram swaraj ka bangi ha ban upload ka portal kan accept bait tangi krishnang ki badan haki senate block Kabamot itu ki local rural bodies ka igram portal Swaraj can accept.
The Delimitation Committee, which is tasked with the responsibility